What's going on, kid family? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you guys a couple tips if you're new and you're trying to start a YouTube channel. So keep watching this video. Alright guys, the first tip and the most realist tip I have for you is if you're trying to start a YouTube channel, just start it. Don't try to plan everything out in the beginning. Don't try to figure out the camera settings, your logos and whatnot. Just get started. That way you progress, you build your way up, you become and define yourself as time passes by. You see what you evolve into, and that's the way Mother Nature intended it to be. You just got to evolve with what the world gives you. Tip number 2, you got to figure out who your audience is and what your purpose is. Okay, me as an automotive channel that transformed into kind of like a day trading channel, transformed into whatever kind of channel, yeah, that's fine. I'm going with the punches and I'm evolving. That goes back to step and rule number, was it 2? Yeah, I think it was 2. See, there's people that watch YouTube for multiple reasons, right? So you got to see what your channel is providing. Now, there's a lot of reasons why I figured out people watch YouTube, right? There's entertainment reasons. There's information reasons. That's about it. Wait, what was the other one? And when you start a YouTube channel, for the most part, YouTube's always evolving, man. Don't expect to be profitable anytime soon. It's been a couple years now. I'm right now around 4,500 subscribers, and we're just starting to slowly bring in some income. So don't expect to make money from the get-go. And I know a lot of people are gonna quit, which leads me to my next point. Don't quit. That's all. Don't quit. Quitters don't get anywhere, and you gotta have a steady, slow grind moving uphill. And that's how successful YouTubers become very successful YouTubers. That's how they go from 100,000 subscribers to their million subscribers, to their 10 million subscribers, because they're consistent, they're steadily grinding, slowly progressing. If you think you can just sign up, throw some BS videos on there without even having the time and years of knowledge in editing and be successful, nah, man, that's not how it works. And honestly, whatever your channel is, you gotta be really transparent, man. These YouTube viewers will smell you out if you're full of shit. Not even kidding. So the more honest and transparent you are, the more realistically you will build an audience that follows you for years to come, and they will support you. They'll view your videos, they'll give you that thumbs up, just like you guys are giving me that thumbs up on this video. Even though this is an automotive channel, I know there's a trader inside of you. Sick dog. GoPro, stop recording. Alright, well, that's enough tips and tricks for you guys, man. I don't want to give out too much too soon, too fast with this channel slowly starting to grow. But make sure you do subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way I know you guys want more content on YouTube and how to start a YouTube channel. Also, I'll be probably telling you guys my profits for the months, for the years. If we get more likes on this video, I'll expose how much money we made in 2019 and 2020. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. I ain't here